24. Blakeberry to number 12. Max Roll behind the wheel of the number 1. That's your lineup for Junior Sportsman here tonight. Currently your high point man out there is the number 12 of Blakeberry. Okay, the green flag's up in the air. These guys are now racing as they slam the throttle down. Wow, look at Barry on the inside coming up through. And we got a yellow caution flag out. Cole Harrison, the number 27. They've got to push him back on to get back on the track. Dominic Kirk is the number 8. Like I said, we have some new drivers on tonight. Want to welcome them. Max Rowe, the number 1. Like I said, want to welcome these guys in. Certainly nice to have them out tonight. Drive the number 24. It's Gunnar Rowe. Sponsored by Lux Enterprises. Okay, they take a moment here to line them up. Like I said, if you'd like to be involved in the track, that's the softball track, go on to our website, check it out. All the rules and regulations are on there. Or you can see any of the officials here, and they can clue you in, give you a rough idea of what it's all about. You'll notice on some of these carts also, you'll see the stickers. Each one of them stickers represents a feature of race that they have won here, not here at the softball track. Okay, they're trying to get them lined up. That just needs to be on the way. Okay, your pole sitter. In the number 24. Gunnar Rowe.
Now that one is her question.
The Rowe family's got quite a legacy of racing. Like Mr. Mike Rowe, Ben Rowe, and now the grandchildren are racing. That's awesome. Okay, Jake says the green flag is up in the air. They oh, look at this. Right where we go, the number 44. We have a yellow caution flag out. Tough race for Spencer Bond. Like I said, this is for a points race. Blakeberry is the high point man. Second place is Spencer Brown. Then Dominic Kirk runs third place in the points here tonight. Like I said, our track is located at 42 East Road in Saco. It's right off 112, and we race every other Friday night during the summer months. Our first race starts in May. It goes all the way through till September. We have a complete concession stand inside, and we've been told we have the best chicken nuggets around. But go online and check it out. Okay, Jacobson, you guys are now racing. Looking to the floor. That's just what they're doing. Look at that. Wow, holy mackerel. We got Gunnar Rowe, the number 24, with Blakeberry tipping after back number coming out of that corner. Max Rowe, the number 1. Dominic Kirk, the number 8, the number 44, Spencer Brown. Oh, we got 2 of them. Oh, we got 2 of them hung up here. The number 24, unfortunately.
Another caution.
Oh, Gunnar Rowe and the number 8. Hopefully they can pull them apart. They'll be okay. Max Rowe, the number 1. Yeah, they've got them all pulled apart. It's going to take time here to realign them. Down at our track in Saco, it's an awesome little track, and we have grandstands down there that you can set out. We also have a place that's undercover where you go in and sit down at picnic tables. It's an awesome place to visit, and we appreciate going down next year and see what it's all about. And like I said, if you'd like to be involved in karting or the motor racing, see either one of our directors, and like I said, you go on our website online, SacoPathfinders.org, or you go on to Facebook, Saco Pathfinders, and read about everything. You can see a list of the drivers. There's pictures on there going all the way back. And we want to thank the Cumberland Fairgrounds for allowing us to be here. This is our third year here, and we really appreciate all you fans coming out tonight and cheering on these drivers. Unfortunately, last year it was pouring out, kind of wet here, but hey, the guys still put on a great show, and we certainly appreciate them and the racing teams. Like I said, Saco has some awesome racing teams, great fans, and we really appreciate each and every one of them. Okay, as the guys get them lined up over there, they will be getting a green flag when they come around. Right after these guys, the flat cotton clone, animal clone, you guys will be coming out. Then the modified mowers will be running. Okay, Jacobson, guys, forward now. We got a yellow flag here. Get them crossed over before the green flag will be coming out. We're not sure what the problem is with number 8. Evidently, it needs to be started. That is a power pack with a battery that actually starts these cars. There's a hole in the side of the body. They shove it through, push a button, it actually cranks the engine over and starts it up. Okay, they got the number 8 on. Dominic Kirk, he fired up. Okay, one more time around before they get a green flag, looks like. Looks like a pretty good tight formation. We'll see what happens here. Jacobson, okay guys, put it down on the floor. And that's just what they're doing. Blake Berry, your high point man out there in the lead. Followed by the number 1 of Max Rowe. Doing a phenomenal job here tonight. Behind him is the number 44, Spencer Brown. Running single file at this point in the race. Certainly awesome race by these young people. Yes, look, we have another yellow caution flag out. He's trying to get him slow him down a little bit, I guess. Yep. As I look and see the officials there, they want him to slow him down. Jim Polson, there is Blake Berry for number 12. Currently a high point man. Audio behind him. Max Rowe, the number 1. Want to welcome him here tonight. Okay, looking pretty good from here. Hey, the green flag's up there now, racing, ladies and gentlemen, as they push it to the floor. Look at that. Spencer Bass trying to get his nose down on the inside. Up to number 12, looks like Berry. Yes, Berry right there again, down on the inside, trying to take over the lead, coming out of that corner. Whoa, number 24, gonna roll. Back on the track though, no problem there. Okay, I guess they're gonna slow them down, run them single file, probably, and see what happens. Okay, the officials, okay guys, come on, slow them down a little bit. As you can see, this is why they have to wear a neck brace. If they should ever get hit behind by a car that's going full bore, it's going to snap their head back. And you'll notice the cars also have a helmet rest so that they don't go flying out. And if you notice, these cars have hand restraints. This is so in case one of these cars go flipping over, the young guy's hand will go flipping up the roll cage running over it and squashing it. Okay, they're trying to refire up the number 1 here. And they do have it fired up, so they're going to get them realigned before the green flag does get up in the air. They're trying to get them to cross them over. They want to make the start official and make a fair start for these guys. Okay, looks like it's going to be We'll see what happens. I think they wanted to cross over. I'm not sure what's happening. Yep. And so, hey guys, get them crossed over.
That's what we have for
You need to get them crossed over with
One
a
of those?
flag.
With a cage on it?
Okay, the green is up and now racing.
Wow, I got
Lake
10 minutes.
Mary in the lead. Look at spent the pass down on the inside. Holy mackerel! Son of a gun! That was a hard one. But thank God for the safety equipment for these drivers, you know. Okay, we have a piece of plastic out there on the track. Scott, it needs to be picked up. Okay, they get these guys to slow them down. Safety is from the injury.
But they're all built for that fucking bank play track. I don't know if you